gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love.
This is the Honor Magic 8 Pro, and in today's video, I'm giving you a close-up look at its design before the official release. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Starting with the front, the display still features that familiar four-sided micro-curve design we saw on the Magic 7 Pro. It continues to support 3D facial recognition for secure face unlock, but there's a small detail I want you to notice. Take a look at this. The sensor placement on top has been adjusted. On the Magic 8 Pro, it sits slightly closer to the top edge compared to the 7 Pro. Another change worth noting, the infrared sensor that was missing on the Magic 7 Pro is also absent here. The top of the Magic 8 Pro only houses the microphone and speaker openings. But don't worry, the infrared remote control feature is still built into the phone, just relocated to the middle frame. Speaking of the frame, the Magic 8 Pro feels a bit more refined. It has a smoother, rounder metal middle frame with a polished finish. The in-hand feel is quite similar to the 7 Pro, but there's one noticeable difference. This time, Honor has narrowed the body slightly on both sides. That means the height remains the same, but the width is slimmer, making it easier to handle with one hand. Your thumb now reaches across a wider area, which feels more comfortable overall. On the side of the device, there's a new addition, an AI button. It can also double as a camera shutter button, which is a nice touch for quick photo access. Moving to the back, you'll notice the camera setup has changed too. Compared to the 7 Pro, the Magic 8 Pro's lens module is noticeably larger, especially the telephoto lens, which now has a bigger and thicker design. The circular layout has a stylish textured ring around it, giving the phone a more premium and polished look. Finally, the Magic 8 Pro comes loaded with the latest MagicOS 10 system. A few people in my group have already asked about potential issues or bugs. Don't worry, I'll be testing everything thoroughly. I've got both the standard and Pro versions with me, and I'll be doing a complete in-depth review of both once the official launch happens. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.